Now let's continue adding the functionality for our drawer layout. So I need to change it first to late initializing, and I will remove this, and here I need to set it drawer layout equal find view by ID, not nav view, it's the drawer layout. If I go to here, I go up, I need to add an ID to it, drawer layout. Okay, find view by ID, drawer layout. So make a clean project and everything will work fine. So the drawer layout is here. We are referencing this layout, the nav drawer layout. Okay. And here, drawer layout dot close drawers. You can see that everything is working fine. So back to our when switch, the conditional statements here. So here is the first one. The second one, r.id.message. So this lambda expression will open for us and call the method replace fragment, and here I will go and replace the message fragment. Then r.id.settings, and I need to paste here the settings fragment, and the last thing I need to replace is r.id.login replace fragment, and I need to change the settings fragment. Okay, so this is very important. I need to add this lambda expression, and here I need to make true to set navigation item selected listener to true, and I will remove these extra spaces. Okay, so it's very simple till now. We've created the when expression to select, allow the user to select from these four options, the home, message, settings, and login, and replace the correct fragment with the correct display. The last thing I need to make is to override the function called on options item selected, and we've seen this in the previous videos when talking about the menus in Android. So I need to override it in order to display my menu that I have created. So toggle on option item selected, I will pass the item and return true. Otherwise, it will return super dot on option item selected listener and pass the item. So this is our code. Now let's run our application and see if there is any error to correct and debug the app. And here we go. This is our navigation drawer application. So if we click on this, you can see this toggle button. This is our navigation drawer. You see the navigation header, and these are the options. So if I click on home page, you can see home fragment is displayed. The message fragment, the settings fragment, and the login fragment. So there is no change. There is an error in the transactions. Maybe let me see. And here we go. You can see that I have missed this. So login fragment. Now, if we run the application again, it will give me the correct fragment. So login page, you can see the login fragment, settings, message, and home page. So congratulations, guys. we've learned how to create the navigation drawer application.